Yeah, na Korjor gota nune. Benyena gamin ebachi waste shui ake caterpillar ingbe kenwo gota mi. Ake caterpillar ingbe kenwo gota mi. Na fresh one kra na bachon nune. Caterpillar nyeje me nye segbe. Na agbe echu eni machine ehie agbe ekome na agbe kejese egbe fin agbe wo Korjor mi agbe ke wo Korjor mi caterpillar no yo je na ise agbe ke wo Korjor mi kona ke na shipon agbe ke wo Korjor emi koni ke yie namu ni na ne ba agba ke yie namu na iba agba second ile nwe namu ke shika ba cha Korjor mi aba ke government koni government aba ne ba cha Korjor mi na emi nkole ne bia ne achi defe bibio o ke nu enje bribe ke choma tetu ke chwa yi mensangbe ke ba ye ne no ne chon ke Kpeshie mi wo ni ganyo ya wo caterpillar ne ana chon waste ni echie mi ne to ne ke nature will take its course na caterpillar le nyeje le abola pa wo enu chumo ne chu abola pa enu chumo ne chu akechi ole nwe echi echi ke Korjor bi correct enu chumo ne chu aba pele by day la ya haile ake ba chi Korjor yo echi bia ne ke nyumo ne mo ne ba wo igba mokona me hue ameje me amenkwe na tunu chumo jogbe ami eja ka chi Korjor boni ka chinle igban amamena moni na ne ba agba mona ameleje ameisani mene mi denche mba tino okwe boni wo denche wo fio nature is it fair ke wo kwe boni wo fio nature is it fair Korjor de moko nature has taken its own course. When you pour water on a flat land, it will find its way to its source, that is the sea. Ewo ke bia ne nature it take a course ni gbogbo mo de san ke ochi ke waste no ta no ke what are you trying to say? What at all are we looking for? Greedy bastards na kan blofo back here, greedy bastards just to claim land. Aya na ba je me gbe so mo lo so mo ke no ko fio aba caterpillar le nu chumo echu le abola pa enu chumo na echu yes echi no echi o ama zoom o zoom eta echi eken wo mi o wula ko se yabo le caterpillar je ganyoni ewo echi Korjor o echi o je hisani. The one controlling the caterpillar is not a gun. Whether he covers this whole drainage or it doesn't affect him. Yes, but you, the people who live around, the indigenes, you will suffer. Yes, you will suffer. As I've taken my time capturing this, every now and then when I'm using this stretch, I see something new. But today, as I saw them pushing the the waste into the Korjor, I said, nah, let me take a video of it, because this nonsense must stop. Yes, this nonsense must stop. Along the Kpeshie, such act is going on, all in the name of we want to claim land. Authorities are seeing and they are onlooking just like that. Yes, authorities are seeing, they are onlooking just like that. But I pity the municipal assembly and NADMO. I pity them because whenever there is a disaster, they know what they will get from it. Yes, apart from the monthly salary they are receiving from the government, when there is a disaster, that's when people will bring more donation and what have you, and they are going to benefit a lot from it. So they too, they care less. You will see people, oh, don't do this, don't do this. At the end of the day, the acts will still continue despite the warnings and what have you. The act will still continue. So guys, let me leave you here. I think the tractor driver has seen what I'm doing, so he has halted for a while. Yeah, so I mean, it is what it is. I've captured enough. I have captured enough. This is Korjor. This is let me see, the is it a river, the Korjor River that separates the Rasta from Tse Addo. Yes, the Rasta from Tse Addo. So that's it. This is the area. This is the area. You can't cheat nature. Nature will take its course. And I'm making this video. I'll keep it till the day nature will take its course. Yes. Till the day the Korjor will rise and overflow its banks and cause harm to the neighborhood. Yes. And I'll come and play this video. Yeah. Those who are committing the act are just right in front of this very washroom in front of me. Yes, they hired a guy to come and do this to nature. So that's the area. That's the area. Not this side alone. Not this side alone. Yeah, it goes across. You can see the other end. Another one over there. Yes. All in the name of I'm protecting my block. Yes, but trust me, nature will take its course. Nature will take its course this year. Whether you like it or not, nature is going to take its course. Alright, thank you and bye for now.